Hi guys and welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make these pistachio cookies. Let's begin. To get started on the recipe, you'll want to grab yourself a large mixing bowl. Into your mixing bowl place your butter, followed by the granulated white sugar and the light brown sugar. Then mix everything together until the mixture is lighter and fluffier. Basically you want it to be well combined, but just a little bit more than that, so slightly fluffier and slightly more combined. Then you can go ahead and add in your egg and vanilla, and not forgetting to add in the almond extract as well, as almond extract works really well with pistachio flavour. Don't know why, but it just does. Then mix that in until it's fully incorporated. Once that has been fully incorporated, the mixture should change in consistency, looking something like this, and that is completely normal and what you're looking for. Then give the bowl a good scraping down, and this is just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on, so make sure you get the very top and the bottom of the bowl, as that's where the mixture normally doesn't incorporate fully for me, but may work better for you. You can then go ahead and add in the dry ingredients, which is your flour, your baking powder, your white chocolate chips and your pistachios. Feel free to use chopped pistachios, I'm using these ones that I've got in the cupboard. Then mix until they incorporate in, and you're looking for it to be almost coming together. Once it's reached that stage, you can then add in your pistachio paste, and this will just add pistachio flavour and make the dough green. Feel free to add a little bit more food colouring if you wanted to get a more uniform colour or a brighter colour. Then take your scoop and scoop up all of your cookies, leveling it off as best you can. And I decided, why not use some of that pistachio filling paste that I got to fill the cookies. So just flatten your cookie dough in your hands, create a little divot with your thumb, and then fill it with a small amount of the paste. I left my paste on top of the oven so it was melted, and I didn't have time to let it cool. So just seal that paste in, then roll it up, flatten, coat the top in some pistachios, then place on the baking tray. Repeat until you have a tray full, so you should be able to get 5 onto a tray, and that will work wonderfully. All the baking times, temperatures and everything else you need will be in the blog post, which will be linked down below, so don't forget to check it out if you're interested. So here is what the cookies look like once they're done. That's all today, hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again soon with another recipe, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description, there'll be a link to this recipe, a link to my blog and links to all my social medias. But that's all today, I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.